Hi.
No. Are you starting?
Yes. I just started. You guys are weird. Wait.
Feel it.
Why is she in the corner? Okay. Okay, I'm done. Amber? This is what we do in gym.
Okay, get down. Get down. No hurt. Now you gotta be like. Gotta get down.
No. There. Okay. Get up. Okay.
It's okay. Thank you.
It's a big gym, there's tons of room.
It's because we don't want to dance in front of other people.
Sorry.
So how are you?
Enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, it's been so recording. Don't record me. It's not, it's that way.
Wait,
Okay, I'm gonna end it right now. It's this way. I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end it right now. Guys, all of you in the background because I'm gonna end it right now. Come on. I'm gonna end it right now. Come on.